Tricky, what the hell do you have in your hand?
Yeah, we're gonna push it in. Hey, boss. Hey, what you do with that?
I posted on YouTube.
Oh, nice. Man. Where you going there?
Huh? I'm not making no money like you guys. You guys are getting rich. Being working for DOT. Okay, you're getting comfortably by. You're getting by comfortably. No, it's not job security like.
Retire so I can get comfortably high.
Comfortably. Oh, I like that one. You retired so you can get comfortably high. That's good. Only the old timers will think about not getting high on the job. The newcomers, they get terminated for that all the time.
Hey, lamb chop.
It never fails. You got one guy that keeps the crowd. You keeps the crowd moving. Nah, I'm not getting rich. And YouTube now wants to be my partner. How can I say no? I'm not going to TikTok, and you would think that YouTube would look at that and just automatically make me rich. Anything that comes close to my YouTube name, they should just point them to my channel, because I have so many videos and I didn't even take them off and put them on what's that other thing named? Whack Tack, the Slack Tack, and the Crack Attack all over again. My man said he's just waiting to retire so he can get high. I wish I could retire. I should be able to retire. With all the videos I have, relevant historic videos I have on